Beginning with A, adjective from a long time ago.
Ancient.
Beginning with B, verb, past tense of blow.
Blue.
Beginning with C, verb, to ask for an amount of money for something, especially a service or an activity.
Charge.
Beginning with D, noun, a reduction in price.
Discount.
Beginning with E, adjective, strong adjective or very tired.
Exhausted.
Beginning with F, noun, a series of events, performances, and so on that often take place over several days.
Festival.
Beginning with G, noun, someone who plays the guitar.
Guitarist.
Beginning with H, noun, chasing and killing animals for sport.
Hunting.
Beginning with I, verb, to hurt a part of your body.
Injured.
Beginning with J, adjective, unhappy or angry because you want something that someone else has.
Jealous.
Beginning with K, adjective, unkind is the negative adjective, which is the positive.
Kind.
Beginning with L, adjective, always supporting someone or something, sometimes when other people do not.
Loyal.
Beginning with M, verb, to repair something that is broken.
Man.
Beginning with N, all the animals, plants, and rocks in the world.
Nature.
Beginning with O, adjective, special and interesting because of not being the same as others.
Original.
Beginning with P, phrasal verb, to stop something burning.
Put out.
Beginning with Q, noun, skills, qualities or experience that you need in order to do something.
Qualifications.
Beginning with R, noun, a forest with a lot of tall trees where it rains a lot.
Rainforest.
Beginning with S, verb, to help customers and sell things to them in a shop.
Serve.
Beginning with T, adjective, kind and always thinking about how you can help other people.
Thoughtful.
Beginning with U, adjective, not pleasant.
Unpleasant.
Beginning with V, adverb, used to add emphasis to an adjective or an adverb.
Very.
Beginning with W, verb, to get a medal, game, or match.
Win.
Beginning with X, sound, noun similar to a photo, show your bones and skeleton.
X-ray.
Beginning with Y, verb, to take a deep breath with your mouth wide open because you're tired or bored.
John.
Beginning with Z, noun, an area in which animals, especially wild animals, are kept so that people can go and look at them.
Zoo.
Bye-bye!